This is my first video about Corona because I am concerned for certain things. First thing, my request is that what the government is doing and what the government is advising you to protect yourself from Corona, that is more than sufficient for all the people to follow. We don't want to do anything extra. But you see, there are some WhatsApp doctors and some real doctors. They give the knowledge about Corona, every detailed knowledge about the Corona to the patients, and as a side effect, I will say, it's not their intention. But what the doctor says and what somebody understands is a different thing. People understand it differently and they misunderstand it majority of the time. So whenever my opinion is that, suppose I want to give an information about a disease, that I am a doctor, so I must find out a separate things, whether the person is a doctor or not a common man. So common man should be given a very clear cut, simple, easy information that is needed to him, not more than that. If you try to make him a doctor or if you try to give him a very detailed information, either he will not misunderstand, he will misunderstand it, or he will not understand it, or he will wrongly understand it. So I think Corona is going on. There are so many news also. Even news people are doing these things. First news, a few days I had that Corona spreads through air. And the way they were giving the news in a dramatic fashion, that Corona spreads through the air and you see, be aware of all these things. So it is creating a fear. And I also went through another doctors, a good doctor's review about this, because a Lancet magazine has, a reputed magazine has done research that it spreads through air. And the another doctor, who is a reputed doctor, works in a Corona, he said, yes, it spreads through, but nothing to fear of. How it spreads through air? If it is a closed room, if there is no circulation, if there is a Corona patient and he is not using mask and he is open, so it spreads through droplets. That is a air spreading. It is not an open air spreading. So you see how the fear has been created. Either you give the complete knowledge, don't give the half knowledge. It spreads the panic. And you see, since the Corona has come, all people are giving the videos on Corona. People are watching the videos on Corona. Do this thing, eat this kada, eat these fruits, or this thing. I see there are so many things that food is less and other things are more. And that is what harming your stomach. You see, only one thing I advise, if you want to take protection from Corona, if you want to increase the immunity, you have a good food, good exercise, 7 to 8 hours of sleep, and free mind. Do meditation and do your own work. Don't do the research in Corona, because if you do Corona, it will create a phobia in you. If you watch throughout the day the news, you will create a phobia. Corona will come and Corona will go. But the fear of Corona that gone in you, that has made a psychological fear in you, you may need a different treatment for that. For that disease. So that is one of the people are getting frightened. The new disease that has come is the fear of Corona, Corona phobia. And I strongly request all these people, while giving an information to the general man, please think whether he needs that information, whether this information is really needed. If it is not needed, don't give, because tomorrow the research will be different. The Lancet research is a news because you see they are doing research today. For example, in the beginning there was a research that quinine is useful. People started taking quinine even without any indication, even without disease. Some people died of it. Later on they said that quinine is not having any effect. Then remdesivir, they said is effect. WHO says there is no effect of remdesivir. It is not very effective drug. And today see, remdesivir is not available. You see, these two different things are there. And a common man should not fall in this. He will get confused. It is the doctor's topic. It should be limited to the doctors. And doctors should think of it. If you start to become, you see, since the information is there all over, people go on the Google and search about their disease. They come to us and they ask, sir, this is aise hota hai, aise hota hai, aise hota hai. They have more knowledge than the doctors. What is a doctor's duty? A doctor's duty to give a limited information, what is needed to the patient, that you give him and treat him. If one doctor wants to teach psoriasis to a patient, it's a different topic. It's a different time limited. By knowing psoriasis, he will not be free of psoriasis. By getting treated and for his treatment, what is needed, that is only the information for any disease. And it's my strongly request to the general public also that don't get panic. Do what government has telling, follow that, because the doctors will tell the research is going on, the research may be successful, or another research will come, or this research may go wrong. So these things will go on happening because this is going. There is a part of research. It's not wrong or it was correct. Some research has been done, it is verified, re-verified, then it is there. But immediately it is come and it is go public and people get fear. I think this is a very wrong process. It's my personal opinion, and I think even if you know this, you should know these things. That a research has number of stages, verifying, re-verifying, then it is final. So one research comes, don't get panic of it, and it is not going to change your life. Simple thing, follow the instructions of government, make yourself healthy, be a free-minded, open-minded, enjoy your life. That will increase your immunity. Don't get a fear of corona. So in a word I say, be sincere, not serious. Sincerely follow this. You become serious, you will become sick. So this is one of the things I wanted to talk about corona. I don't want to talk much about it because government is doing a nice job and I don't want to interfere in it. And whatever government has given the information, that is more than sufficient. Vaccination is also one of the things everyone should go. That is the best thing. Thank you.